It's 5 a.m. I'm going to try out Allegiant from Oakland to Bellingham.
Why do I have to leave so early? Well, Allegiant is one of those super low-cost carriers where they nickel and dime you for everything. And they've only got one flight, basically every other day. They're one of the few flights straight into Bellingham. It's a direct from Oakland to Bellingham, BLI. And now, but oh, look at these poor bastards on 880 South. They're already in deep red traffic. Road flares, always a good sign. Economy parking. 18 bucks a day.
One unfortunate thing is that it's a daily flat rate, and the flight back is like a few hours after it being one hell day, so I gotta pay for a whole day even though I'm only parking for 3 hours. It's pretty darn empty. Allegiant even makes you pay for carry-on, so I've got everything. Backpack and 2 jackets. Like, literally everything. All my clothes are packed in the pockets. I've got my jacket on. Jackets. Not too obvious. There's all of 2 carousels. There's the rental cars. Avis, Budget, Hertz, Enterprise. I've got Alamo. I got this absolutely sweet Nissan Versa. No, not really. There's some pimp cars out here. And I'm not in one of them. But it is really close to Terminal. That's pretty easy. Well, one thing I noticed about Bellingham versus Seattle is there's a lot more trees that don't have pine needles, so it looks pretty apocalyptic in the winter. Yeah, I mean, look at that. I'm gonna pack my Allegiant stuff. Oh, phone charger. What else we got here? SD cards and things. Laptop charger, GoPro accessories. Out of this jacket we get an entire riding shirt. Here we have a helmet, knee pads, padded shorts, riding shorts, rain jacket, another riding shirt, GH5. Oh yeah, packed in here. Nice big Sigma lens. And shin pads. Fine weather for a ride. Here I am, employment line.
Really slippery.
That's worse. Saturday morning in Bellingham. Nice and foggy again. Well, I packed for my Allegiant flight. I got my jackets, pockets all stuffed. Backpack is nice and completely full again. You can take I-5 or the scenic route along the water to the airport. This is the whole airport. That's it. Rental car return, that's it. There's just drive up and drop the keys off. And then there's an Arco on your way in. I'm back in Oakland. Look at all the sun. So, would I fly Allegiant from Oakland to Bellingham again? Well, here's the thing. I paid about $120 round trip last minute for that flight, and it was going to be $550 in Alaska. So, flying solo by myself, you know, $400 is worth the sore ass and the pockets stuffed full of clothing that I had to deal with. But, you know, if I had to pay for my seat, like for example, if I were flying with my family, and pay for a bag and so on, it would start to add up, and I don't know if it would be really worth it. Plus, if there's any problem with the plane, there's only about one flight every other day, and your trip's going to be quite a bit longer. That said, it was very, very nice to fly direct to Bellingham. Flying to SeaTac is a pain. I mean, it pretty much takes at least half an hour to get out of the airport, and then it's an hour and a half drive, best case, to Bellingham. And that's if there's no traffic, which is pretty much Denver and Seattle now. So, you know, I think I'll be flying to Bellingham directly from now. Well, directly. Alaska flies through SeaTac, so it's about an hour-long layover. But it's just a lot easier to do that, even with the extra travel time in the air there. And they're also flying to Everett now, so that's an hour away from Bellingham, and it bypasses all that Seattle traffic. So I think that's the way I'm going to go going forwards.